Ridge vent leaks can totally wreck your roof's game, but you can fix them without losing your mind or breaking the bank. So, here's the scoop on handling ridge vent leak issues. First off, check for any cracks or gaps along the vent where water could sneak in, because even tiny openings can cause big problems. Next, make sure the vent is properly sealed with high-quality roofing sealant. Don't just slap on any old stuff, it needs to be waterproof and flexible. If you notice any damaged or missing shingles near the ridge vent, replace them as soon as possible to keep water from pooling and causing leaks. Also, clear out any debris like leaves or dirt that might block airflow or hold moisture against the vent. Keep an eye on the flashing around your ridge vent. If it looks rusty or loose, tighten or replace it to stop water from getting under your roof. When it rains, watch for signs of leaks inside your attic or ceiling so you can catch problems early before they get worse. Finally, think about regular roof inspections, like once a year, so you're not caught off guard by leaks or other damage. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ridge vent leaks is ignoring small cracks or gaps, which lets water sneak in and cause bigger damage later. The fix? Regularly inspect and reseal those spots before they get worse. Another common problem is using cheap or wrong sealant that breaks down fast under weather stress. Always go for a good quality roofing sealant designed for vents. The third mistake is overlooking damaged flashing or shingles near the vent. If you don't replace or repair these, water will find its way in no matter how well the vent itself is sealed. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors for stuff like fixing ridge vents without getting scammed. Plus, it helps contractors by connecting them with people who actually need their skills, making it a win-win all around.